Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to talk about the Mi 11X device regarding one particular question. Yes friends, I'm getting plenty of comments recently from the Mi 11X users that few of the users they did buy from the Flipkart website and they did not receive any kind of plastic wrap around this device, as you can see friends. So these are exact comments I'm getting from plenty of my subscribers. I think maybe close to 30 comments I did get only on this one particular topic. Yes, so I was unable to reply for everyone, so I thought of making a video. So in case if you buy the Mi 11X device from the Flipkart website, please comment below friends that whether you got the Mi 11X device with a complete wrap or not, as you can see. So and the subscriber did mention that there is not even any kind of manual as well, as you can see. So there is no manual and there is no plastic wrap around this device. So and they are getting doubt like it's kind of scam or what, something, this kind of question. Should they return the device or should they not return the device? So please let me know in the comment section below friends. So that's what I did send the message as well. I'll try to ask my subscribers who did buy from the Flipkart website, and by looking at the comments you will be able to understand exactly how many of the users did receive exactly like this and how many of the users did get the manual along with the wrap along the smartphone. So that's what this video is about friends. So unfortunately I did not buy from the Flipkart, so I don't have any kind of clue what's going on in the Mi 11X device. So if you do buy this Mi 11X device from the Flipkart, please make sure to comment below friends, so it will be really helpful for a lot of other users who are actually planning to buy. And you might be thinking why the users are actually buying from the Flipkart instead of Amazon. That's because of the price. So right now in the Flipkart website, the price is always very low. So it used to be 23,000 rupees. Yes, I think a couple of weeks back there used to be 23,000 rupees for the 6GB RAM variant, and without any bank offers, no bank offers involved. If you use the bank offers, you can actually get a further discount, but right now the price when compared to Amazon, it's pretty low. That's the reason why a lot of users are actually planning to buy this Mi 11X device from the Flipkart website. And these are the problems which the users are actually facing regarding the Mi 11X device. Please let me know in the comment section below friends. And I did mention to him as well, and he was continuously texting me, so because they are like completely tensed, should they return the device or not. So I did mention that I'll try to upload the video and I'll try to ask my subscribers who did buy, and based on the comments and feedback, so I'll ask him to decide what to do next. So that's it friends, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates. And by looking at the comments and I mean ratings and everything looks kind of fine, like 4.2 star. There's nothing much suspicious going on at this moment regarding the ratings and everything, but maybe in case if you're having any other doubts, let me know in the comment section below friends. And meanwhile, signing off until then, stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to check out the ratings as well, where some of the users will definitely mention that there is no wrapper on the device. So and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Until then, bye.